You might be feeling overwhelmed right now. Too much to do, too many directions, everything waiting at once. You don't need to do everything today. You don't need to solve your whole life. Staying with this session will bring you back to today and remind you that one step is enough. If things feel heavy or scattered, you're in the right place with Mindfulete. Find a comfortable position. Let your body settle where it is. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Nothing to fix right now. Nothing to catch up on. Just notice that you're here, breathing, present. Take a slow breath in through the nose and let it out through the mouth. So much pressure comes from thinking too far ahead. Tomorrow, next week, everything that isn't done yet. Right now, you don't need to carry all of that. Today is smaller than that, more manageable. Bring your attention to your body. Notice where you're supported. Chair, floor, ground. You're not floating in your thoughts. You're grounded somewhere real. Another gentle breath in. And a slow breath out. Showing up today doesn't mean doing everything. It means doing one small, honest thing. One email, one conversation, one task you've been avoiding. That's enough for today. You don't need motivation to show up. You need presence. Presence is quieter than motivation, but it's more reliable. Feel your breath moving in and out, steady, unforced. You're not trying to be impressive today. You're choosing to be consistent. Consistency isn't pressure. It's self-trust. It's the quiet agreement you make with yourself. to return again and again. Not perfectly, not intensely, just honestly. You don't need to raise the bar today. You can lower it and still move forward. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw loosen. Your nervous system doesn't need urgency. It needs steadiness. If your mind keeps telling you that you're behind, notice that voice. You don't need to argue with it. You don't need to believe it. Behind is a story the mind tells when it's tired. Right now, you're here, and that counts. Take another slow breath in and let it go. You're allowed to move at the pace that supports you, not the pace that exhausts you. Today doesn't need intensity. It needs intention. One small commitment. One place you show up. You already know what that is. You don't have to decide the whole future. You only need to choose the next step. And when this day ends, you can show up again tomorrow. Begin to notice the room around you. Sounds, air, space. Feel your body sitting here, steadier than before. One final slow breath in. And a gentle breath out. When you're ready, open your eyes. If this helped, like this video and subscribe for more.